0% interest rate cards will do you in. Here's why. 0% interest rate cards apply for a period of about 6 months to usually 21 months. During that time, they charge you no interest. But there's two things you need to be aware of on a 0% interest rate card. If you're ever late on a payment, they have the right to cancel out your 0% interest rate right then and there, which could at that very point start calculating interest and then be due on your very next payment. You might not be financially prepared for this. The second thing I hate about 0% interest cards is deferred interest at the end of the term. See, if you carry a balance to the end of the term, they can actually retroactively charge you interest all the way from the beginning of the term when you made your very first purchase with that card all the way until the end. What this means is that the interest will actually compound. So if you have a $1,000 balance at the end of the term, you won't be charged $1,000 plus 20%, which is $1,200. You'll be charged $1,000 plus 20% from month one, which is $1,200. Month two, that $1,200 will hit 20%, which is $1,440. Month three, that $1,440 will hit 20%, which is $1,728. The next month, that $1,728 occurs 20% interest, and so on and so forth. By the time you get to the end of that, you could end up owing upwards of almost $9,000 on using a card for $1,000 at the beginning of that 12-month 0% interest rate. So while 0% interest rate cards are really, really good, especially during that intro period, be very, very careful how you operate with them moving forward, because leaving any balance of any kind can really put you in a bind when it comes to the end of that intro period. Follow for more tips that'll help you increase your credit scores.